Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome! On this channel, I show you how to make fun and simple garnishes. Today I am coming to you with 3 more cocktail garnishes that are again perfect for summer. The first garnish is an apple flower. Once you've cut off the top, you want to create petals, and don't worry about making them all symmetrical. Once you're finished, then simply play around and see what looks best. Once you've figured it out, make a small cut and attach it to your glass. Now on to the next garnish, using the side of the same apple. You will actually be able to create a total of 3 garnishes with 1 apple, which is pretty cool. I don't have a name for this one, so if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. In retrospect, I could have cut the square a little bit smaller and I think it would have looked better. And now on to the last one. I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep this garnish in the video given that it is so simple and you've probably seen it before, but it really is one of my go-to garnishes. It's really simple, but it does look nice. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have any suggestions of garnishes or cocktail decoration that you would like me to try, please leave it in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.